In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan QR code on Steam mobile app. By the end, you'll know the quickest, most reliable way to approve a login with just your phone, no codes to type, and no extra hassle. First, open your Steam app on your phone. From the main screen, look toward the bottom center and tap the shield icon. This is the Steam Guard area, and tapping it brings up the built-in QR code scanner. If your phone asks for camera access, go ahead and allow it so the scanner can see the code. You only have to do this once, and it's necessary for the feature to work. With the camera view open, point your phone at the QR code you want to scan. You might see that code on your computer screen when you're signing in. Hold your phone steady, make sure the entire square code is visible in the frame, and avoid glare or reflections on the screen. Good lighting helps, but you don't need anything fancy. Just keep the code sharp and clear. If the camera struggles to focus, move your phone a little closer or a little farther away until the corners of the code look crisp. There's no need to press a shutter button. The app detects the code automatically when it's in view. After the code is recognized, you'll see a prompt to confirm the sign-in. Take a quick look to make sure the request looks right. Then tap Confirm. That's all there is to it. The login is approved, and you're done in seconds. If the code doesn't scan right away, try cleaning your camera lens, tilting the screen to reduce reflections, or increasing the brightness on the device that's showing the code. Make sure the code isn't zoomed in so tightly that parts are cut off, and avoid holding the phone at a steep angle. A small adjustment in distance or angle usually solves it. If you navigated away accidentally, just tap the shield icon at the bottom center again to reopen the scanner. A quick note on safety: only scan QR codes you trust, such as the ones generated by Steam during sign-in. The scanner is designed for secure approvals and doesn't reveal your account details. It's simply a fast, secure way to verify that it's really you. And that's it. Open the Steam app, tap the shield icon at the bottom center, aim the camera at the QR code, and confirm. Simple, fast, and secure. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your seamless sign-ins.